A Bluetooth car adapter lets you use voice commands to make calls and send texts without reaching your device or taking your eyes off the road. It is much safer and easier way to communicate while driving. So why do you really need a Bluetooth car adapter, and what other functionality does it have? That's what I'll be sharing with you in this video. And also you will get the opportunity to grab a link on where you can buy one at a cheaper rate. So watch on and learn more in this video. So what's up guys, this is your boy Chibuzo Agua and you're welcome to Plug In for Tech YouTube channel. And today we are going to look at some cars. If you're familiar with this channel, you quite agree that whenever I got a new device for my car, I like sharing it in this video. And of course today we shall be looking at this Bluetooth car adapter with a radio transmitter. It does lots of functionalities, and don't be scared. Yes, I'll be telling you how you can easily get yours if you like this for your car. I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video where you can purchase yours, which will look just like this, and it has the same functionality just like this. I'll be placing a link in the description of this video. But before you jump into buying one for yourself, continue watching this video because I'll be showing you how it works so that you know how it works, and of course you prefer getting yours. And it has lots of functionality just like I said. You can, let me see, you see the USB port. You can actually charge your device with this when you're driving on the go. You can also make call with this. You can see the call button there, and you can also play radio. Is also a radio transmitter. You can do all of this with this Bluetooth car adapter. So I'll be showing how to connect this with my car because I'll be moving to my car in no minutes from now. I'll be showing how it works. Like I said earlier on, yes, in the description of this video I'll be dropping a link whereby you can use to purchase yours today and start making your use of it in your car. You can all remember my last video where I talk about the ELM OBD2 scanner. Yes, many people have purchased via that link because I got notification. It's actually an affiliate link. Yes, like I always tell you guys, an affiliate link, and once you make a purchase via that link, I'll be receiving a little commission. So it's a means whereby you will be using to support this YouTube channel of mine. So we'll jump into my car right now, which I'll show you how this Bluetooth car adapter with FM radio transmitter works, and also has a call functionality. Is actually good because I've been enjoying every bit of it from the moment I bought it even up till now. So we jump into my car now. So let's go, let's see how it works. And of course you like the functionalities, though I may not be going deep into the various functionality because of time. I don't want this video to be lengthy enough, so let's just go and see how it works. So now let's dive into it. So we're now inside my car. Most of you that are familiar with this channel will already know that I use an Honda Accord. So this is how it looks like, and this is what we should be working or trying to connect in this video, which is the Bluetooth car adapter. See the two USB slots whereby you can easily put your phone, charge your phone via this means, or also play MP3 by inserting a flash drive that has a music installed to it. So now let's see how it works. First thing, before you should know that yes, your phone should have the cigarette lighter. Let me see. Okay, I just got that on camera. You should have a cigarette lighter spot whereby you can easily insert these into it. So let's see. I fully inserted it. Okay, so I fully inserted the Bluetooth car adapter, and the next thing you have to do is to like on your car. Let me do that hurriedly. I'm not turning on the ignition fully, but at least the car is on now, as you can see. And let me show you this. It's already on, and as you can see, it's already on 8.75. It's already connected to it. So now to make sure it syncs with this Bluetooth car adapter, all you have to do is to turn on your radio. Let's reduce this. Let me reduce the volume a little bit. Yeah, turn on your radio and ensure that your radio is tuned, to that very 89. Okay, let me go down a bit, which is 87.5. Go down. Make sure your radio is tuned to, let's see, I'm trying to sync this, but what you should know is that most Bluetooth car adapter has a different way it functions. This very one I'm using, that's what I'm showing the process for. In case you buy a different one, let me reduce this volume a bit. In case you buy a different one, the functionality on how it works will differ. So I'm just giving you an instance based on what I buy. So 87.5, all you have to do, let me see again, no, 8.75. So I have to do is to tune this to sync, tune the radio to sync with the time. Go down a bit, still down. Oh, we started all over again. Sync 100.4. So once it does it and it syncs with this, immediately you place I don't want to like waste much of your time in this video. Once it has synced with this, immediately you now place a USB device that has an audio to it. It will work automatically. If you're moving while driving, you can now hear the volume of what is playing in the music MP3 right here from the sound audio from the speakers of your car. And also, if you want to make a call, end a call, is just by using this let me see, this button. It's all you need to make a call and end a call while driving. So it's more or less like a hands-free, it works like a hands-free device also while you're driving. So like I said, if you want to buy this device, I will place in a link in the description of this video whereby you have lots of options to buy them at a more cheaper rate. Yes, they are quite cheap once you use the link. Like I told you, it's an affiliate link, and yes, of course, I'll be receiving a particular commission once you make a purchase via that link. So that's how it works. Is a hands-free Bluetooth car adapter. Also, you can charge your device. All you need to have is this I believe all cars has this car secret option. Stick it into it and it will power on. You see perfectly it has been powered on. Then sync your radio with this very one, the same number, then you're good to go. But like I said, other variations or other models will work differently. All you have to do is to read the manual of your that's indicated in the Bluetooth car adapter that you bought, then you're good to go. So now you can easily drive hands-free. So that's one of the use in driving hands-free on the go and also playing music and charging your car at the same time. So if you want this device, go to the description of this very video and you see the link, and you make your purchase via that link. That's all you need to know about having a Bluetooth car adapter. It's a promo link actually, that's why I said you should go there and make the purchase right now and buy it at a cheap price. You see various variations and various options and you can make your choice from there. So that's all I want to show you in this video. How to connect is, make sure you have a car secret light option, sync your radio, and as you can see, it doesn't use auxiliary, no wire, no cable, no nothing else. It all works automatically using the Bluetooth option. So that's all I want to share with you in this video. So we see okay, that's all I want to share in this video, how to use this. So you've already known the steps, and I believe you'd like to purchase this device. So definitely this is something we all need in our cars. So like I said, go to the description. In this video you see links and you see various options, various models. You can easily see the one that suits your car and its model and go get them now. So we've come to this end of this video. Like I said, this is just a car section, and Chibuzo Agua remains my name, and Blog Infotech remains the name of this channel. So you can easily hit the subscribe button, and if you want more videos just like this one, you should know that it's just a blog or a YouTube channel related to technology, and we bring informations related to technology. So if you want to be part of this channel, you can easily hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified when I put up my next video. So we'll see in my next video once you've done the necessary thing. And if you also need questions or you're asking, confused in any aspect, go to the comment section, drop your question, then I'll answer to them once I get the notification. So see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.